In life, everyone dreams big, but dreams alone don't change anything. We all feel inspired for a moment, and then nothing happens. Why? Because success is not built on feelings. It's built on action. If you truly want to change your life, listen carefully to today's story. Armin sat on the porch, frustrated and disappointed. He had been trying to learn the guitar for weeks, but every time he struggled, he gave up. "I'm just not good at anything," he said angrily. His older brother, Sami, looked at him calmly and said, "Tomorrow morning, before sunrise, I want to show you something." Armin frowned and asked why so early, but Sami simply smiled and replied, "You'll understand." Before the sun touched the sky, Armin walked with Sami to the edge of town. There, beside a large rock, sat an old sculptor. His clothes were dusty, his hands were strong, and his eyes held years of wisdom. Sami greeted him and said, "Master Rahim, could you tell him the story about effort, the one you once told me?" The sculptor looked at Armin and smiled gently. He pointed at the giant stone beside him and said, "I come here every single day at this exact time. Whether it's cold, hot, or raining, I lift my chisel, raise my hammer, and strike this rock. Some days I chip off a big piece, some days only a tiny grain, and some days nothing at all. But I never stop coming," Armin asked quietly, "because you love sculpting." The sculptor chuckled softly. "No, son, because this is my commitment. If I only worked when I felt like it, this stone would remain the same forever. If I waited for perfect conditions, my dream would never take shape. I don't depend on excitement. I depend on daily effort," he continued. "Excitement is like fireworks, bright for a moment, then gone. But daily effort is like the sun. It rises again and again, slowly changing everything." The sculptor then pointed to a small clay pot nearby and asked Armin if he had ever heard the story of the potter. When Armin shook his head, the sculptor began. "A young potter once tried to make the perfect pot. On his first try, it broke. On the second, it cracked. On the third, it collapsed. People laughed and said he had no talent. Weeks passed, months passed, and still his pots failed. But he didn't stop. Every day he shaped the clay, even when nobody believed in him. And one day, after hundreds of attempts, he finally created a beautiful, flawless pot." Armin's eyes widened. "So it wasn't magic?" The sculptor shook his head. "No, it was the result of all those days when nothing seemed to work. Just like this stone, it's not one strike that shapes it, but the thousands before it. You may not see progress today or tomorrow, but something is changing inside you. Every effort builds skill. Every attempt builds strength. Every day brings you closer." Something shifted inside Armin. He realized he had been expecting quick success, wanting results without consistency. From that day on, he made a decision. He would practice the guitar every day, even when he was tired, even when he wasn't motivated, even when progress was invisible. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months, months into years. Slowly, his fingers grew faster, his sound grew smoother, and people began to admire him. One day, he performed on stage for the whole town, and his music left everyone speechless. After the show, someone asked, "Armin, what's your secret?" He smiled and replied, "Talent begins the journey, but daily effort completes it." Success isn't about doing something huge once. It's about doing small things every single day. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start today. Keep going. Your masterpiece is already forming.